Hey, good afternoon. This is Riley from McNaught Cadillac, and I'm going to take you on a tour of our 2013 Volkswagen Jetta 2.5 liter Highline. Now, this is a great smaller sized sedan here, powered by the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. This is a front-wheel drive vehicle, so it's going to be great in the winter, especially with some winter tires on it. And this particular unit has just over 85,000 kilometers as of this recording. Now, as we look down here, you've got these 17-inch aluminum wheels here, really nice rims. On the front end here, you are going to have your headlights, fog lights as well. And moving alongside, you do have the turn signal indicators on the mirror cap. And overall, this vehicle is in really great condition, and it is certified pre-owned, as I mentioned. On the back end here, I'm going to pop open the trunk. We're going to take a look at some of the space you've got. So inside the Jetta, you've got plenty of cargo volume back here. There's a nice rubber all-weather mat, so you don't have to worry about getting the trunk dirty whatsoever. You could drop these seats down nice and flat in case you need some longer storage for some larger items, such as golf clubs. As we move around the other side, we're going to pop open the driver's door and take a quick look at the inside here. You have the nice black leather interior, heated front seats. You've got the all-weather mats down here, Volkswagen branded. And on the driver's door panel itself, you're going to find your power adjustable side view mirrors, your one touch-down windows, and you've also got the button here to open up your trunk. Okay, now that we've gone ahead and taken a seat inside the Volkswagen Jetta, let's go over some of the main selling features that you need to know about this particular unit. Starting off over here on the front dash, once again, we're going to take a look at the odometer, where you've got 85,581 as of this video, so definitely covered by our certified pre-owned warranty. On the left-hand side, you are going to find mostly radio controls and your hands-free call button. And as we move on over to the main infotainment system here, you do have Sirius XM radio as a standard option for the first 3 months, FM, AM, as well as plenty of media connectivity, which includes Bluetooth phone pairing. You've got the CD player. You've also got SD card connectivity, so you could basically connect whatever device you want to use, and that's going to work great. Now, as we move on a little bit lower, you are going to find your heated seat option, which is really great in the winter time, and you've also got your climate controls just below that. Now, as we head on a little bit lower, you are going to find the 12-volt charge outlet. You've got the auxiliary input, as well as your push start ignition. As long as you have the key in your pocket or within range, you could start the car. Moving on down here, you do have your gear selector, which includes your manual mode. That's going to give you more control over your transmission, which is a 6-speed transmission. You've got the parking brake down here. Inside the armrest itself, plenty of storage space down there. And now we're going to head on up here, just past the mirror, where you're going to find your sunroof controls, which is another fantastic option in this car. You're going to absolutely love the sunroof in this vehicle. It's great, especially in nicer weather, if you want to open that up and allow for some natural light and fresh air. Now, taking a look into the back seat of Volkswagen Jetta, you've got plenty of legroom here for 3 more adult passengers. Once again, all-weather mats in the back seat, so you don't have to worry about getting the carpet dirty whatsoever. You do have the nice leather armrest with some cup holders, and I believe there's even a passageway to get into the rear trunk if you want to open that up and keep a bag back there. You're able to easily access that without a problem. You've got the 12-volt DC outlet, as well as your door locks back here in case you need to unlock the vehicle. So all in all, this is our 2013 Volkswagen Jetta. Really low kilometers for the year model at 85,000, and it is certified pre-owned. So if you're interested in this particular vehicle or any of our other used inventory, feel free to contact us at McNaught, and we'd be happy to help you out.